All right, we're going to go over lesson 1.03. Determine which table shows the proportional relationship between x and y, then graph the relationship. So I'm going to start by doing y over x. We get that constant rate of proportionality by doing y over x. So here I'm doing 3 over 1, which simplifies to 3, 5 over 2, which simplifies to 5 over 2. And I can immediately tell this is not a proportional relationship because I'm not getting the same value every time I do y over x. So we're going to do it with the next one. 2 over 1 simplifies to 2. 4 over 2 is 2. 8 over 4 is 2. And 10 over 5 is also 2. So I'm going to be graphing the second one. Let me make that even more clear. There we go. We're graphing the second one. So my first point is x is at 1, y is at 2. Then I've got 2, 4. Then 4, 8. And then 5, 10. So I've graphed that table. Let's go on to number 2. This graph shows a proportional relationship. What is the constant of proportionality? So I'm going to pick any point on here. So I'm looking at the point 1, 2, and I'm doing y over x. Remember, this is x, this is y. So I'm doing 2 over 1, which simplifies to 2. And I could have used any point on the graph. It doesn't make a difference. Let's look at 3. Determine which table shows a proportional relationship between x and y, then graph the relationship. Okay, so I can immediately, without doing anything, tell this one is not proportional because all proportional graphs have the point 0, 0, and this has the point 0, 2. I'm going to go ahead and check my next one. So y over x, y over x, y over x, y over x. Whoops, there we go. So every time I do y over x, it simplifies to 3. So this one is my proportional relationship. Now we're just going to graph it. So 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 5, 15 does not fit on my graph, but if it did, I would go ahead and graph that one as well. Okay, let's go on to number 4. This graph shows a proportional relationship. What is the constant of proportionality? So remember, we always do y over x. My y value there is 2.9 over my x value is 2. And I'm going to go ahead and simplify this into a decimal by dividing 2.9 by 2. So my constant of proportionality is 1.45. Okay, let's look at number 5. Describe the graph of a proportional relationship. So proportional relationships have graphs that do two things. They go through the origin. That's the point 0, 0. And they are a straight line. So we're looking for a straight line that goes through the origin, which is the point 0, 0. All right, please reach out with any questions on this lesson.